Green lighting their way. F1s at Spring Cup at West Coast Model RC. I just popped in there after crawling at Les Murdy that morning and got a little bit of footage, so not much. This is just F1s, and I've edited it so it makes it look like I'm in the race. Here we go. Look, but I'm not actually in the race. If you look at the driver's stand, and there's other details that maybe the clouds are different, but yeah, all in good fun. I just wanted to show off some F1s from a couple of angles. These guys were ripping. And I didn't get much footage as I walked around the track on race day, but I got a little bit of this on board, so we're going to head back around, rip around the lap. Awesome fun, I love this shit, ripping around the track. And then this lap here is a bit of a camera lap, so we're all going a little bit slowly. I just want to try to get close proximity and just try to get some interesting shots. Or just experimenting in this light, which I'm not used to using with onboard. But yeah, cheers Nick and Craig, two of the legends at the club, except Nick who just hit me. I think it was actually my fault. And that one, we'll make that one his fault, the other one my fault. But nah, it's all good fun, everything's good. And then I managed to get one of the GTA cars to slow down. So this is the end of the video. GTA car going slow so I could video him. Enjoy. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Tell us to come back. I'll see. Love it.